Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn all notes on the fretboard, updated. Start by memorizing open string names and the natural notes on frets 0 to 5, then practice one string at a time with a metronome, naming notes aloud as you play, and add octave shapes to connect neck positions so patterns become visual and motor memory. Create a steady practice plan with short focus sessions that build habit and retention. Start with single string drills for accuracy, add chromatic exercises with a metronome for timing, and practice moving octave shapes to link areas of the neck. Always finish by applying mapped notes to a simple song or riff, so learning becomes musical and practical, not just theoretical, reinforcing both ear and sight memory. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: treat your feet right during long practice sessions with Darn Tough socks. They offer great cushioning and a lifetime warranty so you can focus on the fretboard, not your blisters. Check the description for the link and other deals. Pick a pair if you want to support the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Combine visual tools and active playing techniques for faster learning. Use fretboard diagrams and spaced repetition apps to visualize notes. Mark anchor frets like the 5th and 12th to reorient quickly, and practice intervals and triads so notes start to make musical sense. Alternate between slow, deliberate naming and faster recall drills to build both precision and fluency across the entire neck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.